guys, welcome to Varanteki, a place for better learning. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos. In the last session, we have learned about variables, constants, literals in Python. In today's session, let us learn a very important topic, data types in Python. Here are some data types: integers, floating points, string, boolean, list, set, tuple, and dictionary. Let's learn each data type with examples. In Python, there are several built-in data types. Here is brief explanation with examples. First one, integer. It is represented by int. Integers are whole numbers without a decimal point. Here are some examples. X is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 10, and z is equal to 0. In this way, we represent. Next one, float. Floating point. Floating point numbers are numbers that have a decimal point or use specific notation. Example: A is equal to 3.14, B is equal to 0.5, and C is equal to 2.0E3. In this way, we can represent. Next one, string. Strings are sequence of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. Here we can see examples like name, message, or empty string. Here, John, hello world, and empty string are given. Next one, Boolean. Booleans represent truth values, either true or false. Here is the example. Next one, list. Lists are ordered collections that can contain elements of different data types. Examples like numbers, names, and we can give a mixed list also. Next one, tuple. Tuples are similar to lists but are immutable, means cannot be notified after creation. Example, coordinates, colors, and mixed tuple also can be given. Next one, set. Sets are unordered collections of unique elements. In this way, unique numbers, unique characters, and mixed set. Dictionary. Dictionaries are collections of key value pairs. Examples, person, scores, and mixed dictionary also can be given. These are some of the fundamental data types in Python, and they provide flexibility for handling different types of information in your programs. In this one, we have three important which are used frequently. Three important data types like list, tuple, and dictionary. Now let us see the differences. Lists are ordered mutable collection of elements. Tuple are ordered immutable collection of elements. Dictionary are unordered collection of key value pairs. Coming to syntax, list is given using a square brackets. Tuple is defined by open brackets. Dictionary is defined by using curly brackets and key value pairs. Coming to accessing elements, lists and tuples are accessed by index. Dictionary is accessed by key. Coming to ordering, list is ordered, elements are stored in the order they are added. Tuple is ordered, maintains the order of elements. Dictionary is unordered, no guarantee of the order of elements. Coming to methods, lists have various inbuilt methods for manipulation. Example, append, remove, sort, etc. Tuple have some methods compared to list as it is immutable, and dictionary has methods for key value manipulation. Example, get, keys, values, etc. Thank you.